Welcome back to the My Name is Gas channel. Today's going to be part 2, removing the engine and transmission on the 335i. Let's get started.
Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop. Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop.
Alright, so everything is disconnected from the transmission. We got the slave cylinder disconnected, the shift linkage up there, the drive shaft. Next I'll be removing the engine mounts and the transmission mount and pull them out together.
I'm stuck in a loop. Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop. Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop. Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop. Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop. Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop.
Alright, so the engine and transmission pulled out of the vehicle. Got it here on the engine hoist. I'm gonna start tearing this thing down. So moving forward, we're gonna get this engine and transmission separated and then start rebuilding. But I haven't been able to work on it for like a week because I hurt myself working out, and you could see in the middle of the video last week that I'm in too much pain and can't work anymore, so I just quit. But luckily we're back at it. I'm all fixed up, ready to go. Gastronomics. So stay tuned. Peace.